Hey everybody, hopefully everybody can hear me okay and everything's good on the video end. Got an American 1100 here, mounting my work truck, and this has no key, a lot of locks that I've been picking here lately. So my plan is to pick it open, and instead of doing the normal gutting or whatever, we're going to actually use the Blitz here, which is right below me, and create a key here. And I like to do this all in one video, provided it doesn't take too long to pick this open. Okay, all right, put me into a false set. I lost the false set. And I hope you guys can see this here. I'm doing this with a different camera than I normally use inside, and I can't see the screen on it. We're going to get right into a false set here. Okay, yeah, we're open. Alright, so now let me just get the core out of here, and then we will try and cut a key. And by trying to cut a key, I mean we will cut a key. Whether the key will work or not, we won't know, but we will cut one. Screwdriver that's gonna fit in here. Alright, there's our core. And what we're going to do is flip it upside down here. I'm going to jam a key blank in. Oh crap. Pin number 1 fell out. One fell out again. I don't want to take these all out, but if it's sometimes the driver pins end up in the cylinder, and then the key blank doesn't want to slide in easily. Here we go. Alright, we're just going to be eyeballing this here. So looking at this, hopefully we can see. I don't think I can even zoom with this camera here. It's a GoPro 5 and I don't know how to use it. But looking at this though, I'm going to guess that we've got like that's probably a 7 or 8. That's going to be like a 3, 5 or 6. Probably like a 4 and a 2 or 3, something like that. So let me move the camera here. and we're going to cut a key. Now, I'm just going to cut everything to 2s and then look at it again. Actually, the first I'm just going to cut to a 5 because I know it's at least a 5. Alright, so now we've got a key 52222. Put it back in, we're going to take a look at it. And we'll see what's sticking up on it here. So it looks like they're all still up a hair. Maybe the 5th one is good, but I think that's even too high also. So I'm going to cut the first one to a 6. I'm actually going to cut them all one deeper. I can tell they're all too high. Alright, so now we got 6, 3, 3, 3, 3. I don't want to drop these pins on the ground here, so let me do this up here. Alright, now we're going to look at it again here. We got 6, 3, 3, 3, 3 is what we got. So now I can tell pin 5. Pin 5 is where it belongs, and the rest are all still too high. So I'm going to cut them all one deeper. So we'll have 7, I think 4, 4, 4, 3. And we're not cutting 5 anymore, so I'm pretty sure 5 is where it belongs. So we can get it back in. Funny how much effort this takes. Just trying to not take it apart. Okay, so now looking at it, we're at 7, 4, 4, 4, 3, and believe these are all right. So 2, 4, and 5 are right. So I'm going to actually cut. I'm going to cut number 1, one more, and number 3. I'm actually going to cut 2 more. I can just tell it's too high. So. Alright, and if I'm right here, this should be a working key now. Okay, now our key's in there, and now we actually do have a working key. So let me switch back up to the top here. Alright, so now key turns. Bidding ended up being 84643, I believe. And I'm now drenched in sweat because it's friggin' Florida and it's too damn hot in the garage. And always test it here before you lock it. Turns, lock it back, works. So now we have a working key. And so that's basically how you make a key with the machine. This can also be done by hand filing, but you'd probably want to disassemble the entire cylinder. So it's way easier to hand file that way. But anyway, hope everybody enjoyed that. You know, don't forget to like and subscribe or whatever. And we'll talk to everybody later.